Welcome to 365 Maths. In this video, we're going to look at this expression and try to solve it. I know quite a number of people will get this wrong. And before I continue, just pause the video a little bit and try to figure out what the answer is. Is it 12 or is it 22? I know that some got the answer as 12, while others got the answer as 22. The answers differ because of one simple thing, and it is the order of operations. For example, someone could have said 6 divided by 2 times 3 squared minus 5, and they decided to deal with this bracket first and this second bracket, and by so doing, you get the answer as 12, which is incorrect. I want to introduce you to something very particular, and this is known as PEMDAS. When we are dealing with order of operations, this is what we are going to be using. The P stands for parenthesis. And when we're talking about parentheses, we are talking about brackets, like what I just did in this example right here, whereby I put these brackets, meaning to say we are going to divide the first bracket and we're going to subtract in the second bracket is what I have right here. So parentheses can be in the form of these form of brackets or these brackets, and lastly they can be in this form of brackets. And it is very possible that at times you might have a question that has two brackets, such as they've got these brackets and you have an operation with brackets inside these bigger brackets. How you deal with this is simple. You start by solving whatever is in the inner bracket and you solve your answer moving outwards. That is what you start with, parentheses. And the E stands for exponents, which are also known as powers. For example, you might have 3 to the power of 2. Exponent is this 2 that is right here. What this means is we're going to multiply 3 by itself 2 times. So we'll be having the answer as 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. So this is what follows. And then what comes after that is either multiplication or division. For example, if you have a question that has division first and then multiplication, you start by dividing first, and if you have a question which has got multiplication first and then division following, you start by multiplying. In essence, you start with whatever you see first from the left to the right hand side. After that, you then either add or you subtract. A is for addition and S is for subtraction. This is the order that we are going to be following in solving the question above. We had 6 divided by 2 multiplying 3 to the power of 2 minus 5. Looking at our order of operations, which is PEMDAS, we are going to start with exponents. The reason why we're starting with the exponent is because we do not have any brackets, hence we are starting with the exponents. And the exponent that we have in this example is the 3 squared. So I'm going to rewrite this as 6 divided by 2 multiplying 3 to the power of 2 is equal to 9 minus 5. Now that we're done, remember I said if we have division and multiplication, we start with whatever is on the left-hand side. And in this case, we have 6 divided by 2, which is what I'm going to start with. So I'll be having 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3 times 9 minus 5. After the division, then comes the multiplication. And we have 3 times 9, which is 27 minus 5. 27 minus 5 gives us 22. And there we have it. Our final answer is 22. And we have used the order of operation PEMDAS to solve this question. This is how you solve this question. You always make sure that you remember this order of operation. And once you do that, you find that solving these questions will become easy. There you have it. Our answer is 22. And if you got 22, that means you got it correct. I hope you learned something.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.